everyone, we're going to evaluate the improper integral or state that it diverges from -1 to 1 for e to the x power divided by e to the power of x minus 1 dx. Now we have an infinite discontinuity at x equals 0 because e to the 0 power minus 1 is 1 minus 1 equals 0. So that would make our denominator 0. So therefore our function is continuous on -1 to 0 or 0 to 1. That means we're going to write two different integrals, one for this one and one for this one. All right, so let's do that first. And we're using part 3 because that's the form we have. So we're going to rewrite this as the integral from -1 to 0, this one, of e to the x power divided by e to the power of x minus 1 dx, plus the integral of this one, 0 to 1. Then we have e to the x power divided by e to the x minus 1 dx. Now, looking at this is going to be how we do integral 1, and this is how we're going to do integral 2. And that's if we get a limit for integral 1. If we don't, we can stop if it's divergent. So let's go ahead and do integral 1. This is integral 1. So we're going to do it like this one. All right, so we're going to have the limit as t approaches 0 from the left. And our integral, therefore, is going to be from -1 to t. And let's see, -1 to t. I got everything right. Okay. And e to the x divided by e to the x power minus 1 dx. Now we're going to have to evaluate this. So let's let u equal e to the x minus 1. So du equals e to the x dx. And therefore your integral would be 1 divided by u du. So when you integrate that, that's going to be ln of u plus c if you do it that way. So we're going to write this as the limit as t approaches 0 from the left. And we're going to get ln of u. Our u happens to be e to the x minus 1. And then we're evaluating from -1 to t. So writing this out, we're going to get, I'm going to write it out a little bit here. This is going to be the limit as t approaches 0 from the left. Now we start with t, so we're going to get ln of e to the t power minus 1 minus, I'm going to go ahead and erase this. You already probably know that anyway. So minus ln of e to the -1 power minus 1. All right. Now this part is a constant, but this 0 here is going to make this 0. So that means this goes off to infinity. So for integral 1, it goes actually to -infinity. Therefore, it's divergent. That means we don't have to do integral 2. Because if one of these is divergent, it doesn't matter what the other one is. So that means my whole integral, if I call this my whole integral, this whole thing is divergent. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.